Hi, I'm Jo and I work at Carers Leeds. One of the topics we're often asked is, what is a lasting power of attorney and do I need one? A power of attorney is a document that lets you choose someone, known as your attorney, to act on your behalf if you're no longer able to do so. This could be a family member or a friend or a solicitor. Just make sure it's somebody that you trust and who's going to act in your best interests. There are two kinds of power of attorney, including financial, which lets someone manage things like your money, your bills, or even selling your home. You can choose whether this starts right away or when you start to lose capacity. The second type is health, which covers medical decisions or care arrangements, but this only takes effect if you can't decide for yourself. You can cancel a power of attorney at any time if you still have capacity, and it will also end automatically if you die. To set up a power of attorney, you will need to fill in the official forms from the government website, either by yourself or with a solicitor. You must then register the power of attorney with the Office of a Public Guardian before it can be used. Your forms must be signed by you, your attorney, a witness, and an independent certificate provider. There is a registration fee, but you may be eligible for a reduction if you're on a low income or on certain benefits. You must still have mental capacity when setting up a power of attorney, meaning you understand what the document means and what powers you are giving to someone else. If you or the person you care for doesn't have capacity, you may want to look at applying for the Court of Protection. You can read more about this process on our website. If you only need short-time help with your finances, an ordinary power of attorney might be a better fit. It doesn't need to be registered, but stops if you lose capacity or choose to cancel it. You could also arrange a third-party mandate with your bank, or let someone else access your bank account and pay bills on your behalf, although not all banks offer this, and the bank will need to be informed if you lose mental capacity, as the authority will stop. For help with benefits, you could look into applying for appointeeship with DWP, or to express your future healthcare wishes. You might consider an advance decision or advance statement. You can read more about alternative options to power of attorney on our website. Setting up a power of attorney is a big decision, but it is one that can give you real peace of mind. If you'd like more information about lasting power of attorney, or you'd just like somebody to talk to and find out more about, you can always contact our advice line or email us at Carers Leeds.